Alright, let's go over to my document. Actually, I want to go to chapter 11. And here's the one. Mine's done, but I put my cursor over it and then I right click. And then I go down to Properties and click it. And right here is where it tells the size. That's how I did it. And after you compress it, I think is what we had to do, you do the same thing, and then you could see that it's smaller. So yeah, just put your cursor over your document, and on your mouse, right click, go down to Properties, and then you can see your size disk. It's just wanting you to see that. Okay, what you do is you go to your document. At least that's what I did. I've got it. It's in my chapter 11, and I think it was called Summer Rates. And you just highlight it, and then what I did is on my mouse, I right click, go down to Properties, right there, and click it, and it pulls up this dialog box, and right here you can see the size right there. So once you compress it, it'll be smaller. I think it started out to like maybe be 700 or something. I can't remember. Hope that helps.